welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you unable to connect to the server in League of Legends or fail to connect? No worry, there are a lot of players getting this error pop up in the League of Legends. The full error message reads fail to connect, unable to connect to the server. Please check your network connection and attempt to reconnect to your game. In this guide or in this video, I'll be discuss what causes this issue and how you can fix it in League of Legends. Basically, the unable to connect to the server error message caused by the different reason. Like if you are unstable network connection, there is some server side issue going on in the Riot Games. Out if you are outdated network adapted drivers, or there are some conflicting software like antivirus or firewall. But how you can fix it? To fix, first step is verify the League of Legends server status. So you can check the server status in two way. One, like there is a Riot Games have their official server status page. First you can go to the direct there on their status page, and you can select here like League of Legends, and here you will find if there any some server of the, like some maintenance is going on, some regular maintenance or pre-planned maintenance is going on. Otherwise, another step is like you can see there is a currently no pre-planned maintenance going on. Another is the down detector page. You can check, just go to this link, down detector here like if there are lot of here, you can see there is a red spike in the graph, means lot of users are reporting this error in last 24 hours. Here you can say like reports 4,000, 3,000, a lot of people. That means there is some unplanned, or you can say some issues going from the League of Legends. If this is the case, in this scenario you have to wait for few hours till the issue is resolved by Riot Games. In this scenario you can't do anything. But like if there is nothing is from Riot Games, then next forward to the next fix. Second is ensure you have a stable internet connection. You disconnect your router or modem from its power source, wait for about 2 minutes, then reconnect it and allow it for a minute to re-establish an interconnection. If possible, directly connect your to through the Ethernet cable, because wired connection are generally more stable and faster than the wireless one. Also, if you are using VPN or proxy, just disable it once and then trying to launch or play the League of Legends and see if you are able to attempt to or connect to the server in the game. Next fix is update network adapter drivers. Simple, press the window key plus X simultaneously and then go to device manager from the list that appear, and in the device manager window find the network adapter section. In this you can expand this one and then right click on the your network adapter listed under this section to up, and then click on the update driver option. In the window pop-up, select search automatically for driver. I'll provide this link, this article in the description also. You can go directly and follow all the steps, or you can pause the video here and you can follow the steps here also. Next is deactivate conflicting software temporarily. So like if you install firewall or antivirus, you can disable like temporarily disable your firewall or your antivirus software. But remember, after testing, enable it again for security purposes. Also, alternatively, you can also add League of Legends as an exception in your firewall and antivirus software settings. Next is repairing the League of Legends client. Simple, launch the League of Legends client on your computer. Look for a gear icon in the top right corner of the client window and then click on the open setting. In the setting window, you will find a button initiate full repair, then click on that, and in this case, client will then automatically start fixing an issue. The final is simply if nothing helps, then you can uninstall and reinstall the League of Legends. So simply uninstall the from your by going to control panel and delete the LOL folder also, because otherwise it contains the previous installation files, some files. Okay, so make sure you delete all those remaining files. Also, you can find the link here. You can directly download or install the LOL client from this one. I'll provide the link in the description. You can directly go and check. After then install the game and follow all the on-screen instruction to properly install. After that, run the game and download any latest update. Then once the update is complete, simple login into your account and try launching the game. and see if you are still getting. I hope now you will able to fix this issue and you can easily play the game now. So that's it for today video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such gaming tips and tricks and other content. Thanks for watching.